What is up, everyone? John back here with another video, and today we are going to be testing out the somewhat new EDC33 from Nitecore, and this is a absolutely sick light. I mean, it's got their multi-LED setup in here with their main LED, so it's part thrower, part floodlight. It's got over 50,000 candela in flood. It's an awesome everyday carry light, and it's a perfect size. I mean, this thing is tiny in your hands and it fits perfect in your pocket. It's got an awesome clip on there. This is Nitecore's proprietary clip. I don't know what's proprietary about it, but that's what they claim. It's got the LUMIN SHIELD. That's their multiple LEDs in the light, and I'm gonna see if I can actually show that in here. It's kind of hard to not get the reflection from the flash. Let me turn that off so you can see actually. So this has multiple LEDs in there. It's got one main flood, or one main thrower LED, and then the rest of it's all flood LEDs. And if that isn't the coolest thing you've ever seen in a little everyday carry light, I don't know what is. But so that's pretty much that. We're gonna test this bad boy out, so stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Nice windy, chilly night. So I am at the local park, of course, and we're gonna do my normal test like I always do here. So according to Nitecore, this flashlight does boast over 450 meters of throw. So that's pretty damn impressive for a little light like this that has multiple beam patterns and multiple LEDs in there. This tail switch is freaking cool. I mean, you literally just half press it to get the throw light, and then if you want the floodlight, you just literally push it in and click it. It's got 4,000 lumens of power. It's got a built-in battery, 4,000 milliamp hour. Sorry about the wind noise there, but 4,000 milliamp hour battery in here. Not the biggest fan of built-in batteries, but we'll see how this bad boy does. So we're gonna just start it off on the high level because that's what everyone cares about. So that tree right there is a good, I don't know, 10 feet away from me. Those bleachers right there, probably a good 30 feet almost. Same with that light pole, probably a good 35 feet away. Awesome, awesome beam on this thing for an everyday pocket light. Absolutely awesome. Now, just to kind of give you a few tips on here. First off, wear gloves if you're going to plan on using this thing in any sort of turbo or high mode, because my God, this is one of the hottest flashlights I've ever held in my hands. Secondly, it's kind of tricky with the tail switch. You got to hold it just lightly if you want the far throw, and if you want the full 4,000 lumens, you have to hold it all the way down like that. So this is just spotlight mode, and then this is combined mode. Look at that, man. The third thing is it steps down very fast. I mean, very, very fast. And it needs to do that because it gets so freaking hot. It has to step down. So, and just doing that little short burst on 4,000 lumens, it's already that hot to where I can't even barely hold this thing. Like, I gotta hold it as far back as I possibly can. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. But that playground right there is a good 80 feet away from where I'm standing, I would say. And it beams that out, no problem. It also does have a light indicator on the side. So you push it and it flashes up to let you know. It's got a lockout switch right here also, which is pretty cool, because you definitely don't want that going off. Now, the cool thing about this flashlight also is it has a proximity sensor built into the bezel or the housing, so it does lower if it gets too hot. So I do love that feature. It's really cool to be able to say, you know what, let me make sure that this doesn't burn a hole in my pocket and then into my leg. All right, so let's do some further beam shots now. Now I'm on the other side of the park, so just give you a little perspective. Playground, or I'm sorry, not playground, the freaking benches right there, about a good 15 feet away from where I'm standing. All right. So let's go with that tree right there. Bam. Look at that spotlight on this thing. That's crazy, all from this little tiny light right here. Absolutely insane how much power this light has. Now, I forgot to mention that that is on high, and that is 1700 lumens in the spotlight mode. So if you fan it over to those trees down there, I mean, easily hitting those trees all the way down there. And those trees are at least a good 200 feet away. Awesome, awesome spotlight action on this thing. And that's what I absolutely love about this flashlight. That if you need something for more beam, boom, you have it, no problem. You need to see all the way down there, no problem. But if you need something for more light, boom, you can light up this large area. I mean, look at that. Literally to go from that to bam. How freaking cool is that? Awesome. So that's pretty much it, guys. Nitecore EDC33. This little boy right here. Like I said, awesome flashlight. It's only like 70 bucks too, which is phenomenal. I mean, because when you talk Nitecore, they got awesome machining work on their aluminum. Tail switch feels amazing. The whole operation of this light feels amazing. And then to have both types of lights in your pocket. If you want something that's a thrower, you have it. If you want something that's more of a flood, you have it. I mean, they have two other variants of this light, which are a little bit brighter, and then one's a little less power, but the other one is 5,000 lumens if I remember correctly. So that's probably gonna be my next one. But just one more time, spotlight mode. And those trees all the way down there, like I said, are at least a good couple 100 feet away. And then you got 4,000 lumen mode. And that's what's crazy, man, because like, I'm gonna zoom in on the, sorry about this wind, guys. It's really bad out tonight. So I'm gonna zoom in all the way down to the baseball field fence. And that is every bit of 2 football fields away. And you could definitely tell it's making it all the way down there. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit better for you so you can see what I'm talking about. It's hitting those posts all the way over there, no problem. It's actually making it to the other school all the way on the other side of the, that's a far distance away. And then you have that, and then you have this as well. So you still get really good throw, but you still get a ton of flood too. How impressive is that? That school is at least, I don't even know, 800 feet away, if not further. Absolutely insane. Like I said, this boy gets super hot, so it's already burning my hands. But that's it, guys. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.